At this time of the year, the harvest and Tabseel season begin in a Dakhliya governorate and in a number of other governorates around the Sultanate. The word Tabseel refers to the process of cooking the yellow dates of a special type of date palm trees called Al-Mabsili.
In the wilaya of Manah, we use al-Mabsli date palm trees for Tabseel, but in the other wilayas, they use other types. Praise be to Allah, we have a big number of this type, more than 80 palm trees. My children are the sixth generation to maintain this craft.
All family members participate in Al-Tabseel custom, which they have inherited from their grandfathers. They begin by collecting al-Bisir, the yellow dates. Next, they take the yellow dates to the cooking structures, locally known turkba, which is a concrete structure with big copper boiling pots. Al-Bisir is then put into these pots to be well boiled until it reaches the required state called al-Faghur.
In the past, our fathers, they used Bisur in selling and exporting it. But nowadays we use it in many productions, like we used as alternative of white sugar and in many sweets and biscuits.
Al-Faghur is then moved to an open area called Al-Mustah, and it is left there for days to sun dry. Finally, the dry dates are cleaned and packed in bags or boxes to be sold locally or exported. At-Tabseel remains a traditional practice that is preserved by the Omani people over the years due to the nutritional value of this crop and its economic returns. صالح بخلفان الرحبي ولاية of Manah الداخلية Governor.